Phrasal verbs. Cast about. Cast away, catch at, catch up with, chance upon, and more.
Listen.
Carry away.
Levar embora, empolgar-se, arrebatar.
The flood carried away several cars. She got carried away and spent all her money. The music carried away the audience. Cast about.
Procurar, buscar, pensar em.
He cast about for a solution to the problem. She cast about in her mind for an excuse. They cast about for a new direction for the company.
Cast away.
Rejeitar, jogar fora, naufragar.
He cast away all his old clothes. Cast away your fears and try again. The sailors were cast away on a desert island. Catch at.
Tentar agarrar, aproveitar.
She caught at his sleeve to stop him. He caught at the chance to travel abroad. The child caught at the balloon but missed it. Catch up with.
Alcançar, encontrar após tempo, trazer consequências.
Run faster to catch up with your brother. I need to catch up with my old friends. His bad habits will catch up with him one day.
Chance upon.
Encontrar por acaso, descobrir acidentalmente.
We chanced upon a lovely little cafe. She chanced upon his diary in the attic. He chanced upon a rare coin in the market. Change into.
Transformar-se em, trocar de roupa, converter.
The caterpillar changed into a butterfly. Please change into your pajamas before bed. The program changed the file into a PDF. Charge at.
Atacar, correr contra.
The bull charged at the matador. The soldiers charged at the enemy lines. He charged at the door to break it open. Cheat on.
Trair parceiro, enganarem.
She cheated on her husband with his friend. He cheated on the test by copying answers. They cheated on their taxes for years.
Check off.
Assinalar, verificar, marcar como feito.
Check off each item on the shopping list. The teacher checked off the names of present students. I checked off all my tasks for today.
Cheer on.
Torcer, apoiar, animam com gritos.
The crowd cheered on the marathon runners. We went to the stadium to cheer on our team. Her friends cheered her on during the competition.
Choke off.
Impedir, sufocar, cortar fluxo.
The government choked off funding for the project. The new policy choked off free speech. The accident choked off traffic in the city. Choke up.
Engasgar, emocionar-se, entupir.
He choked up on a piece of bread. She choked up when she received the award. The drain is choked up with hair. Chuck away.
Jogar fora, desperdiçar.
Chuck away those old magazines. He chucked away his chances of promotion. Don't chuck away your savings on useless things. Chuck out.
Expulsar, jogar fora, despejar.
The bouncer chucked out the drunk man. Chuck out the moldy cheese from the fridge. He was chucked out of his apartment for not paying rent. Churn out.
Produzir em massa, gerar rapidamente.
The factory churns out thousands of bottles daily. She churns out new songs every week. The publisher churns out romance novels. Clam up.
Ficar calado, recusar-se a falar.
He clammed up when the police arrived. She clams up during interviews. The suspect clammed up about his whereabouts. Clap eyes on.
Ver, avistar, olhar para.
I had never clapped eyes on such a beautiful view. He clapped eyes on her and fell in love. Wait until you clap eyes on the new car.
Clean up on.
Lucrar muito, obter vantagem.
He cleaned up on the stock market. She cleaned up on her investments. They cleaned up on the gambling night.
Click with.
Entender-se, harmonizar-se, fazer sucesso.
I really clicked with my new colleague. The two musicians clicked with each other. That song didn't click with the audience.